Whether you seek style, functionality, or a blend of both, there's a wardrobe design here for every bedroom and taste. Stick around to discover options that will enhance your bedroom's aesthetics while maximizing space. First, let's explore sleek and minimalistic designs, starting with the Scandinavian-style wardrobe. Known for its clean lines, neutral colors, and functional approach, this design suits those who appreciate simplicity. It's perfect for smaller bedrooms as it often features space-saving sliding doors. Speaking of sliding doors, these wardrobes have become a popular choice for modern bedrooms. They offer easy access to your clothes without taking up much room. With a variety of designs available, you can find anything from understated elegance to decorative flair. Next, consider the built-in wardrobe, a fantastic option for small bedrooms. By integrating the wardrobe into the wall, you save space and achieve a clean, uncluttered look. Customizable with shelves, drawers, and hanging rods, these designs fit seamlessly into your bedroom's layout. For a touch of luxury, mirrored wardrobes are an excellent choice. They create an illusion of increased space, making your bedroom appear larger and brighter. Plus, the mirror doubles as a dressing table, adding both practicality and elegance to your room. Glass door wardrobes bring sophistication to any modern bedroom. They offer a chic way to display your clothes and accessories, with options like frosted glass to ensure privacy. These designs enhance the room's aesthetic while providing functionality. If you're fortunate enough to have a spacious bedroom, a walk-in wardrobe is a luxurious option. It offers ample storage space and allows you to organize clothing and accessories efficiently. Customizable shelves, drawers, and hanging rods make it a tailored experience. Corner wardrobes are ideal for maximizing storage without sacrificing floor space. These designs snugly fit into room corners, making them great for small bedrooms. Like other wardrobe styles, they can be customized to include shelves, drawers, and hanging rods. For ultra-compact living spaces, consider a wardrobe with a loft bed. This modern design offers both practicality and style, combining a wardrobe and bed to save space. These integrated designs are perfect for kids' rooms or small apartments. A wardrobe with a built-in dressing table is another innovative solution. It combines functionality with space-saving design, offering a mirror and storage drawers for convenience. These designs range from sleek and modern to classic and traditional styles. The flexibility of modular wardrobes makes them a customizable favorite. Adaptable to storage needs, they consist of individual modules arranged in various configurations. Available in diverse